this is some instrument. It looks a bit like tweezers, I think. No, 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 sorry. I'm mixing up the names of different instruments. Maybe it's like pliers. So something for a bear works. It's my dad, so I'm not really into that stuff. But I think it makes some funny, nice sounds, like clicking, sort of. So maybe let's try them out. I don't know how it sounds on the mic, like on the recording. I just saw it and thought, well, that looks quite funny, let's try it out. And it really looks funny, especially from the back. So there's all sorts of small things here, and they move in a funny way, really. I think this video is going to be really short, less than 10 minutes, because, I just thought that I have a bit of time to record, and maybe I should do it now, because I have the inspiration always, but usually I don't have time, and any physical and mental power to do that. But time mostly the restraining factor. Well, just now I decided to do something, and yeah, again, just a little something. Yeah. So, well, things have got very tough at uni. It's, I don't know how we're gonna be coping. I think we're just be doing everything bit by bit, and try to get everything in time. But well, it's gonna be so tough, so tough. Well, I've lost the thought. Let's just do a bit of this instrument sounds. It's funny because two sides of this instrument move asymmetrically. Like I have to push the other one so that it would move as well as the other one. Well. But yeah, write down in the comments whether you want me to use this instrument further. If the sounds are good. comes to trying out new sounds. I think I'll do a countdown. Let's start from 20, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15,